swing fold card with a paper towel background. I used a paper towel I had used to blot watercolors for the card front. Looks like tie-dye. Cut and score the card base and swing insert per the swing fold instructions. Then smooth out the paper towel and separate the plies. Attach one of the plies to a cardstock backing. By doing this, you can easily cut the paper towel down to the size you need. I applied liquid glue to the backing using a paintbrush. Attach the paper towel and smooth it out using your fingers. Cut the paper towel to the size needed, 4 by 5 1/4 inches. Use the second ply for the inside panels. Attach the paper towel to the front right side. Using a punch or die cut machine, cut out a circle from the front of the card base. Now to decorate. Die cut snowflake out of glimmer designer paper and twinkling lights dies. Tie a piece of gold twine around the top of the snowflake to create a hanger, tying a knot at the top. To create a frame around the opening of the front of the card, nest 2 circle dies, one inside the other, and die cut. Bring the gold twine hanger up to the top of the card base and secure it using a glue dot. Then attach the frame to the front of the card, covering the top of the twine. Attach the snowflake to the panel showing through the circle on the front of the card base. Apply liquid glue to the back left side of the snowflake, flip over and attach it to the right side of the inside panel. If you have glue around the whole snowflake, it will not swing open. Stamp greeting on the second piece of paper towel. You'll need to use a stamp positioning tool to get a good stamped image because of the texture of the paper towel. Attach panel and finish with pastels. Done!